Who doesn't love pink Christmas ornaments? Follow along to create your own custom ornament. In keeping with my theme, I will use pink glitter, floor care, clear flat ornaments, and permanent adhesive images to complete this craft. Start by adding a small amount of floor cleaner to the ornament. Completely coat the inside and remove any excess. Pour in some pink glitter and move the ornament around to coat the inside and remove any excess glitter. Allow it to dry overnight. I cut out my images using my cutting machine, then using transfer tape, added the images to the ornament. You can do front and back if you like. Add the tops back in and this ornament is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.